Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check the engine oil level on your Audi A4 F4 Avant because there's no dipstick anymore in that car. We can check the engine oil level via the infotainment system. Okay. We park the vehicle on a level surface. We switch off the warm engine. That means let it run before and switch it off. Then we switch on the ignition again without starting the engine. It's really impossible. Not impossible, it's really important. And we wait approximately 2 minutes. Then we are going to select the infotainment system under the menu button. Then we go to car. Then, after we are in the car level of it, we are going to the left control button. That means there is service and jacks. And then we can find oil level. Then we can read off the oil level on the display. And if it is necessary, we top up the engine oil in the bar in the oil level. And between maximum and minimum range is 1 liter. The engine oil must never drop below the minimum mark, risk of engine damage. The oil level display is instant and solid for information purpose. An oil level warning will be appear in the instrument cluster if the oil level is too low. We add more oil, then close the bonnet. The current oil level will be shown on the information system to next time the ignition is switched on. And depending on how we drive and the condition in which the car is used, oil consumption can be up to 0.5 liter each 1,000 kilometer. The oil consumption of an RS model can be up to 0.8 liter per 1,000 kilometer. The oil consumption is likely to be higher for the first 5,000 kilometer. The engine oil level must be checked at regular intervals, preferably when refueling before, of course, a journey. Then it is how to check the engine oil level on your Audi A4 F4 Avant. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.